Find her.
Hi.
You have open teeth. I think everything about you must be open. Can I join you? You mean it? I should join you.
Of course.
You mean it, though? You can't be alone. You mean you don't have anybody that is with you here? I'll be your somebody. So what do you care for?
Rice and rice.
Rice. No, you can't eat only rice. I'll buy you chicken. Better. You are coming with me.
Me. She's what? Pregnant? Ha!
Oh my God.